these are my al dente noodles, and I put some sour cream and butter in there. And then I have my cheese sauce over here. I use Velveeta, Colby Jack cheddar. I use this Mexican style 4-cheese blend, which has Monterey Jack cheddar, asadero, and quesadilla cheeses. So I use that. And I have my greens. I'm about to mix them up, season them some more. All right, these are my mashed potatoes. Can't really see it. And I actually made them in my rice cooker. So they're ready to drain. I'm gonna drain these. My rice cooker is the best. I use it to make my rice, of course, boil my noodles, make my, hold on y'all. Make my mashed potatoes. Alright, so these are my kale greens. I use bacon in my greens. I know a lot of people use probably turkey necks, ham hocks. Sometimes my mom even put pig feet in her greens, or pigtails, one of them. What else people use? Turkey tails, turkey necks, I don't know. They use the animals' bodies. And so do I, but I use bacon. So I got some beef broth in here. I seasoned them up. And I'm about to let them cook on a nice medium fire. Let all them seasonings marinate in there. Put the lid on and let them go. And I'm going to season mash my potatoes. Alright, so before I put my milk in my potatoes, my butter, salt, pepper, and all that good stuff, I mash them first. Mash them real good. And I need to get me a hand mixer because this will go so much smoother. And I still kept them in my nice hot rice cooker. The good thing about this is once I'm done putting it all together, my rice cooker has 2 temperatures. You can put it on warm or you can put it on cook. So I put it on cook to cook them. And I'm going to put it on warm if I need to heat them back up. But they should stay hot until the rest of my meal is done. I'm going to keep the lid on them. So that's the good thing. The last time I made mashed potatoes, not the very last time, but the previous time that I made them, I actually made them in my crock pot and they were really good. So I'm going to mash these and I'll come back and show y'all the milk, how much milk I put in and stuff like that. But I like to mash these for a little while because I don't like lumpy mashed potatoes unless they're like loaded mashed potatoes, or like I make red skin mashed potatoes or something like that. So now that I have my potatoes mashed to my liking, I'm going to add me some butter. I'm going to add some more butter than that, but this is not that big, so I don't need that much. And I usually add my little secret, which is Hidden Valley Ranch, but I don't have any, so I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add some milk. Not too much, because I don't want to overdo it. Just stop there and just let mash and see how that works. Of course, before I mash, I'm going to add me some pepper, some salt. I'm going to go back in with my masher, but I also have me a spoon, and sometimes I use a fork to like forgot what it's called, but I'll do it that way too. But yes, the Hidden Valley Ranch is so good in the mashed potatoes. It adds a whole different flavor. And I also forgot to tell y'all my in my macaroni and cheese, my cheese sauce, I added me some sweet Italian, just a dab, sweet Italian, what's it called? Coffee creamer, liquid coffee creamer. And that cheese sauce is fire, and I have some extra, so I'll probably make boil some more noodles and make some macaroni and cheese balls, or some fried macaroni and cheese balls or something. Look how quickly it is. Nice and creamy. I should add some parsley in here. I don't think I got no parsley.
Hi guys.
Hi. You always gotta taste. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Good done. Some flour. Get some flour in here. We're gonna whisk it. I got some beef bouillon cubes. I'm making chicken. My husband loves beef gravy, brown gravy, beef gravy, brown gravy. So that's why I'm making this type of gravy for him. Even though I'm making a white meat. A little bit of onions for some more flavor in there. Alright, so I took my macaroni and cheese out the oven. So there that is. And so far, these wings are really big, but my husband said he'll still eat them. But so far, I seasoned my chicken with some seasoned salt, Lowry seasoned salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some garlic powder. Onion powder. I'm gonna put some black pepper. I'm gonna add some paprika. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some of my favorite seasoning to put on my meat. I can get it open. Hold on, y'all. I know I'm shaking y'all up. Boom. Best. Can't go without it on my meat. Steak, of course, yeah, but chicken, and I don't put it on my burgers or nothing like that, but chicken, yes. Okay, go ahead and mix it up. Flip them. Mix them. What you gotta do. I ain't done yet, y'all. Hold on. These things are huge. You know, we don't really eat big pieces of chicken like this, but okay. I'm gonna have to season this a little extra. Season this side, these other sides. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what else I put on here. Y'all ain't gonna miss nothing though. I'm gonna edit it so y'all don't miss a beat. But I'm gonna turn this off so I can season this. Alright, so I seasoned the other side. I'm gonna come back in and squirt a little mustard on there. Just like so. And then I'm gonna crack 2 eggs right in my bowl. Alright, so I have my 2 eggs cracked in my bowl and I'm gonna mix them up. Alright, so I'm gonna take my nice crunchy brown flaky chicken out. I'm gonna have to give you one of them some wraps. Alright, sweetie, so here's the finished meal. I got my macaroni. And of course I'm gonna use he's gonna use a metal fork. Homemade mashed potatoes, homemade gravy, Nice crispy flaky and greens.
Saucy drippin' swag, do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag.